It's the one in the
You said button. You just said button. You said green button. And it's a black button with a white little camera.
Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is AhhhSoNeo. Yeah, my daughter, my director is in the room. Yeah, okay. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I have an unboxing from Fashion File. Who doesn't love Fashion File? Who doesn't love Fashion File? If you'd like to see what's in this box today, then please watch on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is AhhhSoNeo, and this is my channel, and I'm sure you guys can hear my director in the background. That's a Diane, and we're here to do an unboxing of my new item from Fashion File. So guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is Daniel. I love to do unboxing, luxury unboxings, shoes, makeup, a little bit of tutorials here and there, just a whole smorgasbord of everything. So yeah, that's what this channel is all about. Basically just a luxury mindset. If you are new here, hello, welcome. Thanks so much for coming. If you've been here before, hi, you're the real MVP, and I love it that you keep coming back. Thank you. So yeah, leave a comment down below if you have a channel and I've never checked you out. Let me know. I will switch on over and check you out. And I am going to do better. I had not talking too much, and I'm going to get right down to this because I actually have not opened it. I am super excited. I'm going to say this though about Fashion File. I love Fashion File. I've shopped with them for years. Oh, I got a nail file from them. Whether it's me sending my stuff to them for sale, my receipt is in here, or buying things from them. I really just love Fashion File and the presentation you always get. However, I have noticed lately, it says new is the used is the new. I have noticed lately that their prices seem a little high. Oh goodness, the packaging, if you've never ordered from Fashion File, is thank you. It's really great. The bag's over here, and they've padded the box with some extra stuff over here so that the bag doesn't shift around in there, which is fantastic. And then if the item you're purchasing does not come with its own dust bag, they always include a dust bag, which is great. I love to keep my bags in the dust bags when I store them, and that way they can stay clean. And yes, so I'm doing this thing now where I'm kind of like going into vintage bags, which is kind of feels crazy to me because what I'm calling vintage bags is basically the bags I wanted when I was in college and couldn't afford them, and now I can. So here is my new baby. Ooh, yes, it's in fantastic condition. This is the Louis Vuitton Damier.
Semicircle. That's what it is.
It is a semicircle, but they called it Nolita. Maybe Nolita means semicircle. Maybe. I don't know. I don't think it does either. Oh gosh. Okay, so I believe they stopped production on this bag probably about, I don't know, maybe 10 years ago. I'll try to find that out. So it has a big, it's got a huge wide mouth zipper, so all the way around. Wow. Okay. And they stuffed it. No, you cannot pop those. I'm going to use them to store it. So I know she's gonna want to play with those. They also have one of these silica gel things in here to absorb moisture. Why does my forehead look so giant, enormous, and oily? It does. It looks bigger than usual. Well, oh, the light is shining on it. Sure. It's like my forehead is its own spotlight. Anyway, the bag is in great condition, guys, and there's no smell.
Not smelling?
You can smell. There's no smell.
It has smell.
So I'm not sure when this bag was made. I know I first became aware of them like back in the early 2000s, and then the code says SP0065, so that's like what, the first, I don't know. I know there's a way you can tell what year, what month something was made usually. So either this was made in 2000 or 2005. who knows? Those of you who know the coding system, let me know what SP0065 is. It has a zipper in here, a zip pocket, and then on this side it has what I used to call a cell phone pocket, a much bigger pocket, and this. And a slip pocket. It's a really big bag. My plan is mainly to use it either as a gym bag or an overnight bag when I'm traveling. Not that we're traveling anymore, but I will one of these days, eventually, soon.
Or not.
Soon. I'm going somewhere. You stay behind all you want.
Yeah.
The only thing that's a bit tricky, I think, is the zipper. So I might have to put, I think it's Brasso that people put on their zippers. I think it's Brasso that people put on their zippers to make them zip up better. Okay, that took work. I think what I'm most happy about is that the straps look amazing. I have another vintage Damier piece that I think I purchased pre-loved in 2003, and the canvas is fantastic, the inside is fantastic, but the handles have started to peel just a little bit. So when I purchased this one, I was looking at the handles like, oh my gosh, I was worried most about the handles, but these look in excellent shape. The bag is sinking a little bit here, but I think really that's just the way it's been stored. I don't really like that, but I'll have to stuff it in such a way that hopefully it will start to rise again in the middle. But other than that, I'm super happy with this bag. Yeah, I think it also comes from being carried like this. It kind of squishes the bag a little bit. Does that bug me? Maybe a little bit, but
It bugs me.
it bugs you? Oh.
Yeah, because like, maybe it
I
could be
know.
the zipper?
I think it might be the zipper. I think we'll just have to stuff it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just have to stuff it and see if we can get it to lift up a little bit. But other than that, I mean, the bag is in really good shape. Yeah, we'll have to stuff it. So that's it. This is, I think, my third. Is it vintage when you bought it in 2003? Does that, I mean, I know it's vintage, but is it like vintage when you bought the original one? Or do you have to, I don't know where I'm going with that train of thought. But I guess this makes this like my third vintage bag now. What's vintage? Older than 10 years? Yeah. Although, yeah. And then, of course, this beautiful baby. Beautiful.
Pink.
She's beautiful. She's beautiful.
I know,
Okay.
I'm not disagreeing.
Thank you. Alright guys, that's it. That is my newest unboxing of the Vuitton Nolita. Definitely these have been out of production for quite some time now. I'm probably going to say well over 10 years. But if you look and you hunt, you can find them. It's taken me a few years to find one that I wanted in the condition that I wanted and at the price point that I wanted. So yeah, that too. But I think I got a pretty good deal. So thank you so much, Fashion File. That's it, guys. That is my unboxing. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to end this video the way I end a lot of my videos. Choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice you get to make every day. Make the best decision. Make the best decision for you. Choose happiness regardless of what is going on outside of you, because happiness is a choice. Remember that. Yeah. Also, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Hit the share button. All of that good stuff. If you're if you're into Louis Vuitton, then I'm definitely your girl. So thanks, guys.
Mama.
Mwah mwah.
Kiss kiss.
Can you press the stop button?
Which one is that?
It's the same one.
Oh, okay.